Hi everyone, so our real estate training and certification bootcamp comes up in a few days, 26th and 27th July 2024. Have you registered yet? The previous events have seen a crop of real estate agents, property managers and real estate investors who have advanced their real estate careers through our training. Be part of this year's event, which is a 2-day bootcamp. Day 1 is a masterclass where you'll be taught lead generation, real estate marketing, branding, maximizing real estate investment opportunities, etc. Day 2 will be a day spent on the field doing property tours and site visits. Register and be part of this and receive a Ghana Real Estate Brokers Endorsed certificate. There's only a few days to go with limited seating. Call the numbers on your screen now or visit our website at www.bdzproperties.com/bootcamp to be a part of this program. Don't miss this.